Hi children, good afternoon all of you. I hope all are doing well. Okay, all of you welcome to our English class. Today's class we are going to discuss our lesson number 3. Who robbed the restaurant? And in the introduction part already given there, one question is there. Question is for you. Listen, in some cases, without any particular reason, we hate a person. At first sight itself, we may have such a feeling we dislike someone. It may be lady or gentleman like Vesa. And do you have such experience? At first sight itself, without particular reason, you hate a person. In our story, there is a girl like you, and our girl, her name is Preeti, and she is very smart and she is very intelligent, and we can see in our lesson without a particular genuine reason, she also dislikes a person. But in the end of the lesson, we can say, it is very clear, we can understand that there is a particular reason is there behind that dislike. Okay, let us discuss our lesson. Children, who robbed the restaurant? That is our title. And you know what is the word meaning robbed? As it is the past form of rob. Robbed means theft. And restaurant, it is a very familiar place for you, isn't it? So, what is it? What it means? Hotel, isn't it? Okay, and let's begin our lesson. Preeti loved dine out. Her parents' restaurant. And we know that no, dine out here means eating out at a restaurant. So, in the first line tells us that Preeti's parents, they owned a restaurant. When her parents started it a year ago, they spent all their time at the restaurant managing it. So they spend all their time for managing their restaurant. So they themselves manage their own restaurant. However, as the restaurant became more and more popular, they decided to hire a manager. So when that their restaurant became more popular, means it became very famous, so they became very busy, they wanted to get a person, so they selected a person as their manager. Hire a manager. Hire we already studied in our previous lesson, but here hire means to employ someone to work for you. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെസണിൽ ഹയർ സക്സസർ ആണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ ഹയർ കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് ടു എംപ്ലോയ് സം വൺ സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു പേ ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ അപ്പോൾ റെൻറ്റിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ യു ഹാവ് ടു പേ ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ ഫോർ ഹി സർവീസ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ് okay, so parents, we know Preeti's parents, they became very famous after a year, so they wanted to get a manager to manage their restaurant. Okay, second paragraph. It's so nice to have someone else take care of the restaurant in the evenings because they got enough time so that we can have some time to ourselves and also make plans to open another restaurant. And they already talking each other. Preeti's parents, they are talking each other. When we arrange a person for managing our restaurant, we will get enough time so we can plan to open another restaurant itself. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സമയം വീണ്ടും കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പുതിയൊരു റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് തുടങ്ങുന്നതിനെ കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ സമയം കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, ഹർ ഫാദർ സെഡ്. ഹർ മദർ എഗ്രീഡ്. It is like being on a vacation. On a vacation means they will become free itself. They will get enough time. But Preeti did not like the manager. So that is in the introduction itself I told that at first sight itself she dislikes that manager itself. There was something about the way he looked over his shoulder all the time. She didn't like that way of looking of the manager. And how he is looking, he looked over his shoulder all the time. അപ്പോൾ അയാളുടെ നോക്കുന്ന രീതി അവൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായില്ല. ഷോൾഡറിൻ്റെ മുകളിലൂടെ വാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്യുന്ന. എനിവേ ഷീ ഡിസ്ലൈക്സ് ദാറ്റ് വൺ. ആസ് ഇഫ് ഹി വാസ് അപ് ടു സംതിങ്. ഹി വാസ് നോട്ട് ഈവൻ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി വിത്ത് ദ സ്റ്റാഫ് ഓൾസോ. He is a particular person. So we in the second paragraph last we can say that Preeti's parents, they already arranged or appointed a person as a manager for their restaurant, but Preeti didn't like that manager. And one more reason she find out his way of looking is not at all good. She didn't like that one. Another reason, he was not friendly with the other staff in that റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ്. ആ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റിലെ മറ്റുള്ള സ്റ്റാഫുമായിട്ട് എന്താണ്, ഹി ഈസ് നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ റെഡി ടു മിങ്കിൾ വിത്ത് അതർ പേഴ്സൺസ്. Shall I read the third paragraph? Late one evening, Preeti was just dropping off to sleep when the phone rang. Who would be calling this late? She wondered. She climbed out of bed and pressed her ear against the wall. What is the incident in the third paragraph? One late evening, we know that she already drop off here means Preeti was just dropping off to sleep. Drop off here means to fall asleep. She is going to take a sleep. That late evening, we know that at that night, when the phone was ringing, she was really surprised. Who is calling this night, this late evening itself? She was really surprised. She wondered. Means she surprised. ഇത്രയും ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ആരാ വിളിക്കുന്നത്? So she climbed out of bed means she already leaped. She jumped out of the bed and pressed her ear against the wall. Means she wanted to hear what is talking, who is attending the phone, everything she wanted to know. Oh no, likewise her father is uttering. Her father was exclaiming. Her father was exclaiming here means showing strong emotion while he is speaking. And we know that the father was really shocked and itself he already denied something what he heard. അയാൾ കേട്ട കാര്യം അയാൾക്കത് he was not at all ready to accept what he is hearing. കേൾക്കുന്ന കാര്യം അവനെ ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഒരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുള്ളതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് father is replying, so we will get to the bottom of it. Such a reply he is giving. We will get to the bottom means we will search it. And I am on the way here. I am on my way. On my way means by taking risk, I am ready to search it. I will find out the exact reason itself. Her father sighed and hung up. And he sighed means we know that he took a wrong sigh itself because of the disappointment. When we have disappointment, we have such a tendency to take a long sigh itself. Likewise, he sighed. And he hung up. Hung up here means he ended his telephone conversation. Hung up and the manager just called from the restaurant. He began to explain what incident he heard. അപ്പോൾ ഫോണിലൂടെ what was the actually event, what was the incident happened there. The manager just called from the restaurant. Restaurant in just now manager was calling me. He was closing down for the day when a robber came in and stole all the money from the cash box. So just now who called, manager called and he informed me what he informed, a theft happened in our restaurant just now itself. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ ഷോപ്പിൽ അവരുടെ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു തെഫ്റ്റ്, ഒരു റോബറി, ഒരു കവർച്ചയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. എ തീഫ് എൻറ്റേർഡ് ദ ആൻഡ് ഹി ഹാഡ് സ്റ്റോളൻ all the money from the cash box itself. Likewise, an information given the manager to Preeti's father. ഈ ഒരു ഇൻഫോർമേഷനാണ് മാനേജർ ആർക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? പ്രീതിയുടെ ഫാദറിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. എ തീഫ് എൻറ്റേർഡ് ആൻഡ് ഹാഡ് കളക്റ്റഡ് ഹാഡ് തെഫ്റ്റ് ഓൾ ദ മണി. What a bad luck. What a bad luck means we can see one exclamation mark. So he was not able to accept that one itself. What a bad luck. And let's go and find out what happened before we call the police. Before informing the police, I want to go there. I want to know the exact reason. So I want to collect the detailed information. After that, we can inform the police. And Preeti heard everything, isn't it? Preeti pursued her parents. And we know that here pursued make someone do something or convince her. She wanted to convince her parents. What? Preeti pursued her parents to let her come along to the restaurant. Reason, since she was going to be left alone in the house. Simply we can see Preeti also wanted to go with her parents. She wanted to know more about that theft happened in their restaurant. So she told one reason also. She was going to be left alone in the house when they left from the home. When her parents left, she may be alone at home itself. So she also wanted to go with the parents. അപ്പോൾ അവൾ കമ്പൽ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്, പാരൻസിനെ കൺവിൻസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്, നിങ്ങൾ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ അലോൺ ആയി മാറും. സോ യു പ്ലീസ് അലൗ മീ. ഐ ഓൾസോ വാണ്ടഡ് ടു come with you. So, I don't trust that man, she told herself. So she told herself one more thing. What statement she told her? I really dislike that person, that manager. I can't believe him. So she had some doubt in her mind itself, and the manager was waiting inside, standing near the empty cash box. So they reached their restaurant. When they reached the restaurant, they saw the manager was waiting for them and waiting inside, standing near the empty cash box. He already opened the empty cash box and showed that one to their to Preeti's parents itself. Tell us what happened, Mr. Ganesh, her father said. So we can understand what is the name of the manager. The manager's name is Mr. Ganesh. And the poor, we know the Preeti's father, he asked, the shocked father asked, tell us what happened here. So we can see her father said, and the remaining portion we can see that how he is giving the enough information, how he explained what happened in that restaurant in that night itself, that we can see in the remaining portion. Anyway, we can stop here. You have to read the whole lesson itself, okay, and you can ask your doubts also, okay.